This is the third part of chapter 14, factorization, and in this part we are going to solve exercise 14C. So we'll start with question number 2 of this exercise, 9a square minus 25. So how can we write this? We can write it also in the form of 3a whole square minus 5 whole square. So generally this is in the form of a square minus b square, for which we can expand the formula as a plus b into a minus b. So how can we write this? A plus b means 3a plus 5 and a minus b means 3a minus 5. Question number 5. A plus b whole square minus 36. So one of the term is a plus b whole square, another can be written as minus 6 whole square. So again it is in the form of a square minus b square. So we can write it as a plus b plus 6 and a plus b minus 6. Question number 8. 9 by 16 minus 25x square. So 9 and 16 both are square of 3 and 4. So we can write it as 3 by 4 whole square minus 5x whole square. So we can write it as 3 by 4 plus 5x and 3 by 4 minus 5x. Moving on to the next question, question number 11. 3m minus n whole square minus m minus 2n whole square. So this is already in the form of a square minus b square. We'll just have to put it in the formula, that is a plus b and a minus b. So this is my a, so 3m minus n plus b, so plus m minus 2n. Again we'll be writing it as a minus b. So a is 3m minus n minus m minus minus plus 2n. Okay, so here the sign is going to be changed as we are going to take minus common. So now let us solve the first bracket here. So 3m plus m, which is equal to 4m, minus n minus 2n is minus 3n. Solving this one, 3m minus m, we have 2m, minus n plus 2n is plus n. So the factors are 4m minus 3n and 2m plus n. Question number 14. 9x plus y whole square minus 16x minus 2y whole square. So we can also write it as 9 is the square of 3. We can write it as 3 into x plus y then whole square minus 16 is also a square number, so we can also write it as 4x minus 2y whole square. Now let us multiply this 3 with the term x plus y. So we'll have 3x plus 3y whole square minus multiply this 4 with x minus 2y, that is 4x minus 4 into 2y is 8y whole square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. So let us write the formula a plus b. So 3x plus 3y plus 4x minus 8y. Again a minus b, so a is 3x plus 3y minus, then write this term, so minus 4x minus minus plus 8y. Now since there are like terms, there are 3x plus 4x, we have 7x plus 3y minus 8y is minus 5y. In the second one again we'll have 3x minus 4x, which is minus x, plus 3y plus 8y is 11y. So the factors are 7x minus 5y and 11y minus x. Question number 17. A square minus 2ab plus b square minus c square. Now if you see the first three terms, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square, this is the formula of a minus b whole square. And we'll write this minus c square as it is. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. So now we'll put the formula, that is a plus b, which is a minus b plus c and a minus b. So a is a minus b minus c. Question number 19. X square minus m square plus 6mn minus 9n square. So we will write x square as it is. take a minus common and write the last three terms in the bracket. So take minus common, we can write m square minus 6mn minus will become plus 3n whole square. So now see, this x square will write as it is minus this term, that is m square minus 6mn plus 3n whole square, is also the formula for m minus 3n whole square. So let us write m minus 3n whole square. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. So let us put in the formula, that is a plus b, so x plus m minus 3n, and a minus b, that is x minus m minus minus plus 3n. So there is no like terms over here, so we'll leave it as it is. Next is question number 22. 3 minus 75x square. Let us take a 3 common. What is remaining is 1 minus 25z square. Let the 3 be outside. So what we can write inside is, for 1 we can write 1 square minus 5z whole square. So taking 3 as a common, we can write this term, that is a square minus b square again, which can be written as 1 plus 5z into 1 minus 5z. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 27. 50x square y minus 32y cube. So here, out of these two numbers, we can take 2 common, and x square y cube we can take a y common. So taking 2y common, what is remaining is 25x square from the first one minus 16y square from the second one. So 2y is common, we can write 25x square as 5x whole square minus 16y square can be written as 4y whole square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. So taking 2y common, we can write it as 5x plus 4y and 5x minus 4y. Question number 33. X cube y cube minus 25xy divided by z square is equal to xy. We can take an xy common from these two terms. So xy is common. From the first term, what is remaining is x square y square minus 25 by z square. Again, in the next step, xy common, we can write it as xy whole square minus 5 by z whole square. So now it is in the form of a square minus b square. So just let us put it into the formula, that is xy into xy plus 5 by z into xy minus 5 by z. Question number 35, part 2. 15.8 whole square minus 9.2 whole square. Again, it is in the form of a square minus b square. So we can write it as a plus b, which is 15.8 plus 9.2, and a minus b, that is 15.8 minus 9.2. So adding this 2, we will get 25 multiplied. Subtracting this 2 will get 6.6. So 25 multiplied by 6.6, the answer is 165. Question number 35, part 6. We have 7.3 into 7.3. Also we can write it as 7.3 whole square minus 2.7 into 2.7. Also can be written as 2.7 whole square divided by 7.3 minus 2.7. So the numerator is in the form of a square minus b square. So we can write it as a plus b and a minus b. So 7.3 plus 2.7 is one of the term, and 7.3 minus 2.7 is another term, divided by 7.3 minus 2.7. So since it's a multiplication and both these are common, we can cancel this out. So what is remaining is 7.3 plus 2.7, which is equal to 10. That's all for this part. Thank you for watching.